Let's make this crunchy snack loaded with protein, fiber, and absolutely delicious. To a bowl, add cooked chickpeas. Ensure that all the liquid has been removed. Add olive oil, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. You can use any spice of your choice, but keep it simple. Mix together until well coated and then transfer into a lined baking tray. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. And roast in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for around 30 minutes. Remove from the heat and enjoy. This turned out to be so good I couldn't stop eating. Thank you so much for watching if you've watched the video up to this point. And until next time, remain blessed.